Hi, I'm Jason Hibbert from Milton Cat. We have some great expectations for you, and folks are saying they're, well, pretty great.
I thought it was a great event. I think I tried out four or five machines that I hadn't played with before.
I ran through 5 machines in an hour. I honestly wish I had more time.
The new generation of machine, they're really, really impressive, especially the dozers, the way they operate, the way they run, the quietness in the cab. The response time is just, it's amazing.
I would highly recommend this event to anybody that's looking for GPS technology or wanting to look at the new D-Series dozers or the next-gen excavators.
Just getting the physical touch on it and seeing what the technology can do. If you can come to this event, I definitely recommend it. Even if you just come to watch, just to see what's out there with the possibilities with these machines.
You can just punch in what you need and the machine basically grades it for you.
Meet Cat's new lineup of small dozers at one of our Grade Expectations product demonstrations. You'll get seat time in Cat next-gen machines equipped with 2D and 3D Trimble grade control technology, plus one-on-one instruction with experts from Milton Cat and SiteTech Northeast. Click on the link to sign up for a location and time that works for you. Attendance is limited and protocols will be COVID safe. Thanks for your time, and I'll look forward to seeing you there.